Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you haven't noticed, I use a green screen a ton for what I create. I have never invested in lighting until today, though. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, so what we have is the FLASHOOT FL30 RGB video light. It has a boatload of features, and as you can see, it is a compact package. It has a built-in battery, so you can use it on the fly. It also has an OLED, so you can keep track of where it is with its charging and what setting you are using. It is compact enough that you can add it to your flash photography, or you can use it like I am on a stand. In the box, you get the device, which is about the size of a deck of cards. You also get an adapter that diffuses the light. You get a USB-C charging cable. You also get a cold shoe mount so you can attach it to your camera, or maybe you've got a device to help keep your camera hand steady that could also handle it as well. It is super easy to adjust your brightness. You can also change your color temperatures. You can change the hues, and there are 16 million color combinations. You can see here how the LEDs are combined in white, warm, and RGB. There are many pieces so that you can help get all the color combinations you want. And it also has 10 fun light effects like lightning, lightning 2, cinema, police, ambulance, fire truck, fast RGB, slow RGB, and SOS, and candlelight. They're all adjustable so you can choose the intensity you want as you play with these. Here's another image that shows that it is about the size of a deck of cards, and it shows the sweet OLED that lets you see what mode you're in, and you can see the buttons are super simple for increasing, decreasing, or switching from setting to setting. It has a built-in lithium battery that has 3,000 milliamps. That gives you a battery life of 1.5 hours. If you're using it at 100% full, if you're using less than that, it will last longer. The charging port you see there is USB-C. It can also charge other devices, which is pretty awesome. It takes you approximately 2 hours to charge it completely up. Alrighty, friends, so here is the device. As you can see, there are connectors here and here, so you can attach it. On the back, you've got the OLED display. If you hold this for 2 seconds, it pops on. When you first turn it on, it'll probably be at 0%. Notice as I lower that down, you have got nothing, so it appears off. So as you switch from your settings, so right now I was on CCT, you can just tap through to whichever one you want, and when you hit plus, it adjusts to the next one. And then I'm going to move up by tapping this mode button again, and now when I hit plus, I can fire up the percentage, and we actually get the brightness we want. Now, I don't want to blind you, so I'm not going to send that at you. So you'll be able to tell by the reflection on the table how the light is working. So let's switch modes. We're going to tap this once. So now it's in HSI mode. You can see I was fiddling around with the numbers. You can adjust them to get the exact combination you want for what you're trying to do. RGB, you can see I've got all the red on, so we are emitting red. If I tap the mode button and jack up the green, you can see we can make the green and the red mix. All those colors are just at your whim. Let's switch modes to scene. This is lightning, and right now it's at 67% of the lightning. Let's switch to the second lightning. This one flashes a little faster. Still don't want to blind you with these, but off the table you can see how they're working. This is the cinema light. You can see it goes up and down. Once again, these are all at 67%. You can adjust each one individually to whatever percent you want as you're playing. This is the police light. That is a good replication of a police light if you've seen that in your window lately. This is an ambulance light. Here we have the fire truck. Once again, you can change the intensity however you want. This is the fast, red, green, blue changing. This is the slow, red, green, blue changing. Once again, you can still adjust the intensity. And then this is the SOS. And then finally, candlelight. Still bright enough I'm not going to shine it at you. I'm going to switch to the CCT. And those are the modes that are available, and you get a good look at how to switch. This is the charging port that you could charge a device from. and then long press to shut it off. Alright friends, so here you can see how I've got it. I'm actually using a selfie stick that can be a tripod, and I've actually got this connected in a phone adapter so that way I can on the fly pop it out, take it to the next location, and be ready to roll. Alrighty friends, so I love the convenience of this being portable, and as far as video editing, it has been a game changer. It is so nice to come in here and just boom, have the lights the exact way I need. I don't have to do any crazy changing of my settings because of the way my room is different times of different days. I just have the lighting, and that makes me faster and more efficient so that I can get more videos out to you in a timely fashion. So I am totally pleased and think this is a fantastic deal. Of course, friends, I will put a link down in the description, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.